St. Lucie Inlet. River flood warning for the following counties in Florida: Lake and Volusia. Flood warning remains in effect until further notice. What minor flooding is forecast? Where? St. Johns River near Astor. When? Until further notice. Impacts: at 2.3 feet, many docks become submerged along the river and in canals in the Astor community. Water enters yards of properties on Bartram Road, Holiday Circle and along Wild Hog Road on the Lake County side. In Volusia County, water encroaches yards of homes on the river side of Alice Drive. No wake zones are in effect from near the Southman Canal to approximately 800 feet south of the Riverview Lodge. Additional details: at 8:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Friday, the stage was 2.3 feet. Bankfull stage is 2.0 feet. Forecast: the river will briefly fall through action stage before rising above flood stage again Monday morning, continuing to rise to 2.4 feet Tuesday morning. Additional rises are possible thereafter. Flood stage is 2.3 feet. http://www.weather.gov/safety/flood. Tropical weather outlook. Issued at 1:09 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. For the North Atlantic, Caribbean Sea and the Gulf of America, active systems, the National Hurricane Center is issuing advisories on Hurricane Humberto, located over the subtropical Central Atlantic. It has issued the last advisory on post-tropical cyclone Gabrielle over the northeastern Atlantic. Southwestern Atlantic Investigation Area 94. Satellite data and surface observations indicate that a low-pressure system appears to be forming near eastern Cuba and the southeastern Bahamas. This system is producing a large area of disorganized showers and thunderstorms, and gusty winds. Gradual development of this system is expected, and it will likely become a tropical depression during the next day or so while it moves northwestward or northward across the central and northwestern Bahamas. Regardless of development, heavy rains and gusty winds are ongoing in the Dominican Republic, Haiti, the Turks and Caicos Islands, the southeastern Bahamas and eastern Cuba, and are likely to spread across the remainder of the Bahamas over the weekend. Interests in all of these areas should monitor the progress of the system. Tropical storm watches or warnings could be required for portions of the Bahamas, and advisories on a potential tropical cyclone could be issued as early as later today. While there remains considerable uncertainty in the long-range track and intensity of the system, there is a significant risk of wind, rainfall, and storm surge impacts for a portion of the southeast United States coast early next week. Interests in this area should also monitor the progress of the system. Formation chance through 48 hours, high, 90%. Formation chance through 7 days, high, 90%. Serving Orlando